think one of you is right there. No, I see you. Oh boy, they're gonna get crazy. That might be him right there with his tuft of a head and his tail. Where are you? You're right in that tree. Jesus. They like sleep in those little things. He said, "Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do." Oh, we're really close. You find me, find me, find me. I mean, it's not an easy exact task. Wait. Whoa. There they are, right there. Literally right there. Whoa. Somebody just came and flew in. But it's dark, so it's hard to tell. Fuck, mosquito. That was crazy sounding. Okay. Mosquitoes, dude. I have no idea who's out in this whole mess. No, it was a rooster, yeah. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. He said, I'm not so pretty now, am I? Oh, we would be able to see them though in this direction. They like sleep in that area. That might be him right there, actually. Or one of them. Fuck, for sure now. I can't do this. Mosquitoes are fucking me up. Hello, birdies. Fuck. The mosquitoes are